As soon as we start the game, we always lose sight of the vehicle even though we're supposed to be behind the wheel controlling it. So to keep a close eye on the vehicle, we're going to create a script and attach it to the camera. So the script we're going to create, we're going to call it follow vehicle, and then we're going to go back and attach the script to the camera because it's the camera that is going to follow the vehicle. So let's attach the script. So you can see follow vehicle is now attached to the camera. So we're going to go to update, and then we're going to type transform dot position. So what this line means is this. So currently this script is sitting on the camera. So we're going to be using the position of the camera, the exact position of the camera, so you can see where the camera is. And then we're going to use the assignment operator equals to player. So this is equals to player dot transform. So dot position. So remember, this player is not in existence. We haven't created it yet. So I'm going to create or declare a variable here. So I'm going to call this variable public, and then the data type I'm going to use game object, and then I'm going to call it player. So let's change this to a small letter. So I'm going to hit save. Now, this is actually public access modifier. So this is going to be available. This will make player available in Unity. But then if I make this private, it's not going to be available in Unity. So let's see the availability that I'm talking about. So I'm going to go over to Unity. I'm going to select camera. So this time around, you can see player. So it's looking for the instance of the vehicle. So vehicle is actually our player. So I'll drag it and drop it in. Now, when we go back to this, now when we change this to private, and then I hit save, this time around you discover it's no longer available in Unity. So I'm going to select the camera so you can see it is not available. So the public access modifier, so that's the option that's going to be available in Unity. So you can see it is back. So we've added the vehicle already. All right, so that is the instance of this. So now we have the vehicle as an instance here. So I'm going to go back to the code. So this time around, I'm going to hit save, and then we'll go back and see the result. Okay, so you can see that the camera is actually following the vehicle, but it looks as if the camera is beneath the vehicle. So to fix that, we're going to go back to our code. We're going to add an offset. Okay, so the offset will help to fix that particular problem. So we're going to come right here, and then we're going to type plus. We're going to call this new vector tree. So we're going to use 0, and then on the y-axis, let's see y. Let's call it 5, and then -7. So let's hit save. So this is our offset. So let's play and see the outcome. Okay, so this is good. Okay, so remember what we say about variable. So we're going to declare a variable and then use the variable instead of what we have here. So this is more or less hard coded. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to use public. I'm going to use float, and then I'm going to call it offset. Okay, sorry, let's use vector tree, and then I'm going to cut this out from here, and then we're going to drop it here. Use the assignment operator equals to this. So I'm going to come over here and then use offset. Okay, so let's hit play. Okay, you can see the result. So it looks as if it's sort of jittering. So let's see how we can actually fix that particular problem. So instead of update, so why not let's use late update. Let's try late updates. Good. Let's hit save. Go back to Unity. Let's see if the movement is going to be smooth. Okay, so you can see we have achieved the problem, that particular issue. We've resolved it with late update. Okay, so that is it on this video. So I'll see you guys in the next video.